This video is to teach you how to do your own screen printing using a computer, the Silhouette cutter and its software, and a silk screen and water-based screen printing ink. Here you see Alicia is taking the middle out of these letters on a piece of vinyl. This is what the Silhouette cutter cut out of her design from the computer. Now she is removing any place that she wants the ink to go through on her t-shirt. This is probably the most challenging step when using vinyl to screen print. You have to place a mask paper over your design and squeegee all the air bubbles out to make sure that your design can be transferred easily to the silk screen. Once you have the mask on your design, trim the edges and remove the white paper to place on your silk screen. Once your screen is ready, it's time to print. Lay out your garments on the table nice and flat. Decide which color ink you would like and start spreading the ink using a squeegee across your screen. Make sure to fill in all the holes that you see in your design. Once you've printed your design, the last step is very important. We use a flash dryer in my classroom, but you can also use a heat gun or an air dryer to make sure that the ink has cured. Make sure it's dry before you wear it. Here's Kanisha. She's modeling her brand new t-shirt she just screen printed.